Hi everyone. So my apologies, I have not recorded in probably like 3 or 4 days now. It's just been so hot in California that I have not even come to my craft room because it is always hot on this area of the house. But I brought my fan over here so I could go ahead and record. So if you hear that, so sorry, but it's just too hot. I went to the store today and it was 101. I was melting. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. So I did a run to Hobby Lobby, got some more clearance. I did a run to Target and Michael's. So let's start off with Target. I'm so excited. I found only one of these beautiful, beautiful gumballs. They are iridescent. They are gorgeous. They are see-through. They are only $5. I'm obsessed. So if you Google Target inventory, different websites will come out and then they will ask for the DPCI code, which is this one right here, and then you're going to need to put in your zip code and I'll let you know which store has what. So I was only able to find one and I definitely want more, so I'm going to look up some more in my area. I wanted another one for myself to put buttons in. I wanted one for my mom for her buttons. And then I thought it'd be really cute to put the dog treats in here as well. So I definitely need a couple more. I just think these are absolutely gorgeous. So I got those. And then we are a bunch of fatties over here. So they had some Halloween Oreo cookies. As you can see, we already got into those. And then these were really interesting. So they're green. So I was like, ew, that's gross, but cool. So I got those. We haven't opened these yet, so I'm going to open those up and share with the family. And let's see, I got a couple more items from Target. Every year I buy a pack of these. These are my favorite go-to puffy stickers. So you just get a whole bunch of them. There's 2 sheets. A total of 134 stickers, and they are $3.50. And these are in the card section. So I got that one. I always get the Halloween peanut ones. This one, I wanted the bat and the mummy. I thought were super cute. I guess it's supposed to be like a pumpkin, but honestly it looks like a tomato to me. I don't really like that one. I love this little skull dog, this little skull and crossbones, this little candy corn here. So there's some really cute ones in there. I've never bought this one before. This one was $3.50 as well. And then of course I always get the Disney ones, and we are going on our Disney cruise pretty soon in about a month, so super excited. So I definitely needed those, and these were only $2.50. So again, all of these are in the card section of Target. And then they had a couple more of these in the dollar spot. So this is $1. You can see right there if you want to look up the code, so you could go search it online in the inventory. It's right there. So on the bones at last, it's in gold foil. Then they have this tombstone that's keep out with the gold foiling. They had little witch feces, which was new to me. A cauldron that was also new to me, and the witch's brew and the little stars are in gold foiling. Again, there's a little DPCI code right there. And I think that was it from Target. Yeah, that was it. So then I went over to Hobby Lobby, and they have new stuff in the fall section that I had not seen before. So look at this little Nomi homie right here. He came out to $2 because fall and Christmas is 50% off right now. So $2 for him, and it says tableware, so apparently you're supposed to put your little toothpicks in here, but I was thinking about maybe putting like a little tree in his head. I think that might be really cute. Then just kind of decorate it from there. So I got that guy. Apparently last week the his and her was on sale, but since they still had the sign up, they honored it. So I got these picks, and I wanted to do a little Halloween stick pin, so I thought this one would be really pretty for that. So those are $1.50. Wait for a sale on those. And then there was still Prima flowers on clearance, and I mean, this store was on clearance like well over a week ago, so I did not feel bad picking up more because they were just still there. So I picked up the dark floral ones, so $1.50 for those, and then I picked up this red one, so they are slightly different colors, and $1.50 for both of those. And these little candy corns, I thought, are not candy corns, oh my gosh, I got Halloween on the brain. These candy canes are on sale for $2, so I got 2 packs of those. They're just little clay pieces that I thought were really, really cute to go ahead and make like little 3D projects or glue them on your paper crafting. And then the epoxy stickers, these are 1 inch. They are on sale or on clearance. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk today. I apologize. These are on clearance for 99 cents. So you get 24 pieces in there. Now, the ones that I had seen at the other store were yellow already. So I didn't pick those up, and they were in like a different packaging on top. Was like black. So I didn't pick those up. But since these were nice and clear, I figured I would get those. And then I want to make some ornaments in Halloween themed. For Diane Crafting with Fury is doing a decorate my Halloween tree. So I picked up some more wire to go ahead and take care of that. And since this wire is in the Christmas section, it is on sale for $1.50, which I thought was a really good deal. And it's 18 gauge, and you get 75 feet. So I think this might be a better deal than what it is in the jewelry section. I'm not 100% sure. I saw it, I thought $1.50 was good, so I just grabbed that one. And like I said, the fall is 50% off, so $1 for these little sunflowers. And it says they're stickers, so there's 4 in here apparently, but I just thought these were really pretty. I hadn't seen them before, so I went ahead and I grabbed those. Okay, now to some new clearance that I had not seen before. And these were 74 cents for their socks. So there is 3 to a pack. Oh my gosh, it was so hard not to get all of them. And then once I got home, I'm like, I should have got them and just gave them out for Christmas presents because they're just so cheap. So there's the pandas right here. I already told my mom she's taking all the pink ones because I don't like pink. This one has hearts, and then this one has little pandas. Has a little bit of pink. I can handle that. These are gorgeous. Look at these. Butterfly. So pretty. Then this one I think is like a marbled kind of look. And then the stripes. Again, clearance for 74 cents. They had the sloth. And then there's the next one. And then here is the blue one. I really like that one where he's like hanging. So those are really cute. And then they had like this like little lucky kitty, and then it has fortune cookies on the back. And then over here we have like sushi with the chopsticks. I thought that was really cute, very like Japanese. And let's see, they had these little pouches for 99 cents. I thought that was really good. You could decorate it with maybe some vinyl. I don't know, so they're silicone little pouches, so I thought to put my coins in would be really nice. And then I got one for Sunny, one for me, and then an extra one. So those were only 99 cents. Okay, I just never really paid attention over in the like material area of the store. Not material, what is it? Like the iron-ons. So they have these really cute bags right here. Like, look at how cute these are. They are a little bit better quality than the Dollar Tree ones, but they are just like, you know, a canvas, and it has a little wristlet, and they're only $1.30. I thought that was a super good deal on these. I don't know if they ever go on sale. The girl charged me full price, but I got a couple of them. I need something to go ahead and iron on for another project, so I got 4 of those. And then in that same little like iron-on section, they had some Disney patches. So this was $1.74. I got one for me and one for my mom. And then this one was 50 cents. I thought that would be really pretty to get an Ariel patch and put this together. And then they had this Good Grief little Peanuts one for $1.74. And then they had Miss Piggy for 99 cents. Now they do have a ton of other patches on clearance, but this store was already wiped out by the time I got there, which I'm kind of sad about, because that was what I went looking for. I went looking for the patches and they were just cleaned out. So let's see, that's it from Hobby Lobby. Now over to Michael's. I went looking for something specific that a subby had told me about, and it is their little wood pieces that are up by the cash register. So over at the cash register, like, there's like a little row, like a display that has little items to sell, and on the other side is where you get in line. So on that display right there, they had these wood pieces for Halloween, and they are $3. They are not on sale. The rest of the Halloween stuff is on sale for 40%, but these were not. So the best I was able to get was to use my 20% off full price item coupon. So that brought down the price a little bit. So they have this one with the different shapes of pumpkins. This one that has the spiders. See, I was able to remember them by just looking at like the corner. So there's a pumpkin one. There was this one that had the spiders. There was this set that had the cat. And then I found this set that had the bats. So I went through the whole little basket, and these were the only 4 I found. I don't know if there are more sets or not, but that's what I was able to find. So I thought this was a pretty good deal for $3, you know, minus 20%. I thought that was pretty good. And then especially with this little tray, you could definitely paint the tray and decorate it and use it like a little shadow box. But if you're going to use this box, just make sure that it's nice and even on the back. I just realized that this one is a little bit messed up. You can see right here, it is not put together and it's kind of falling apart. So if you're going to use the little tray, just double check your tray. All the rest of them, oh no, this one's messed up too. You see it's not even, it's off. So if you're going to keep the tray to decorate, just make sure that it is glued together very well and not messed up like the ones that I got. So those are from Michael's. And then I also picked up this little coffin. You guys know how much I love my spiders. Now this one does have a light right here in the back, and it was $3 as well. So there's that. It has a little light in there, which is kind of really bright. And I don't know if that was part of the 40 or not. Let me see if I can find my receipt in here. Oh wow, look, it was $1.07. I should have got more of those. Oh, but I used my voucher. So it was $3. Yeah, probably minus the 40 came out. So yeah, I had a $5 voucher that I ended up using. So that's pretty good. And then the last item. So, okay. At Michael's, grab bags are going to be coming out soon because they had some of this kids stuff. The summer and the 4th of July is at 80% already. So what happened the last time was that the items went on sale for 80%, and then they were at 80 for about 2 weeks at my store, and then on the 3rd week they went into grab boxes and grab bags. So this was 80% off, so this ended up costing me $1, and I thought it was really cute to take for a Halloween project. And they had a ton of these, so I'm hoping that I could get more of these when the grab boxes come out. Now, the lady couldn't tell me when they were coming out. She just said to keep checking back, especially next week would probably be a good time to check back. So maybe next week they're going to come out. So they are going to be on 80 for right now, and then once they hit 90 is when they go into grab bags and grab boxes. So just keep an eye out. They're coming soon. But I wanted this kit in particular because it had all the Halloween colors. You see there's like candy corn right there. Yellow, white, and orange. And then same thing over here. There's some orange and some yellow. There's some red and yellow back there. And then there's the little star. So I thought for $1, it's cheaper than Dollar Tree. I thought it was a good deal. I could definitely paint the little star. You know, put some like little creepy stuff on there. Maybe find like the little eek right here. Paint that. Go ahead and put that over, you know. Just kind of play around with it. So for $1, I wanted to go ahead and grab that guy. So I think that is it. Yeah, that's it for my little haul for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I promise I'm going to get back to making videos on a regular basis again. It's just been too hot to function over here. So, alright guys, we'll see you later. Hope you guys are having a great day. Bye.